A very good evening to all. This is Sanju this side, and today I'm just going to make a burshita. And first of all, I also would like to thank you all who invited to me, and I'm just going to make a burshita. So let's see how to make it. So first of all, see guys, these all are the ingredients which I'm going to add. But in this recipe, I'm just add these two things like gherkins and jalapeno. I just want to add this for the bit good taste. So let's see how to make. First of all, I have taken three bread slices which I already roasted. Now see how to make it. First take a bowl, then add chopped onion and some capsicum and some. I'm just adding chopped coriander instead of parsley. It gives a good taste. And this is chopped chilies and some blanch corns. See guys. See, I'm just adding some olive oil. It gives it enhances the glaze also. It gives the enhance. I have already added some gherkins, jalapenos, seasoning I have already added. Then mix together. Keep aside. Take three bread slices. Just keep aside and keep it on top. You can use your hand, which is it is comfortable. And according to me, the cheese, as you know, there are different types of cheese like cheddar, brie, and mozzarella. But I think this is the best cheese for the burshita. It gives the whiteness and taste also. So instead of the cheddar, I'm just adding this. That's it. How plastically. Now I'm just going to bake it. Okay, now plates is ready. Just keep it easily. See, I have already set the temperature. It should be around 120. Now I'm going this to bake. So it will take around about 5 to 10 minutes. See, zoom the camera. See, the cheese are getting a melt.
So until your bruschetta is being cheesed and is in the oven, we
Yes,
would
sir.
like to see the ingredients
Yeah.
which are here. So Sanju has been giving a quality of food here in Park Ascent Hotel, and he's using some jalapenos and plenty of ingredients here. And
See, we have the fresh soya also. In English, we called dil also.
and here
Ready?
it's going.
Let them burn. Actually, the cheese should not be a raw. It should be a baked properly. See guys, as you can see that our burshita is ready. Now let me take a napkin, duster, because it's very hot. See, unfortunately, guys, it has been little bit burned, but it's okay because if it will be a crunchy, so it will give a good taste. Now let me cut it because some just don't like the side wedges. So now I cut it this. And, okay. Now I have taken already a platter. This is my platter, and this is my very signature garnish. You can see that. So now I'm going to plate this. And as you know that, guys, I added the drill also because it's very important. See, you can keep it outside also. Now cherry tomato is very important. It brightens the taste also, and it gives it enhance also look good. See, guys, now to olive oil or olives also. Now our dish is ready. At last, I'm just going to glaze also because it has been a dry little bit. So now it has been a glaze.
Chef, it looks very yummy.
Yeah, thank you very much. At last, I would like to. At last, I would like to address to my senior who taught me this recipe. So now I'm going to call to Chef Amar. So he will talk about this.
Okay, now we have talked to Chef Amar Bist. He is the executive sous chef in the Parkinson Hotel. Hello, Chef.
Hi. Hello everyone. So Sanju, what you have been preparing today?
Today, Chef, I make a bursita, which you taught me when I was your junior. How is that taste, sir?
Good job, Sanju.
Thank you very much,
Excellent.
Chef. And thank you, guys. We will meet you in the next.
Thank you guys. Let's see in the next video
Thank
what
you,
our
Chef.
chefs can do. Thank you.